with these log questions, we've got to get all the logs on the left-hand side in a single expression. So we've got to, using the log laws, squish this into one log. Let's have a go. First of all, this 2 here. We can put that as a power sitting on top of the 3x minus 2. So therefore, I can say that this is equal to log to the base 5 of 3x minus 2 squared minus log base 5 of x, and that's equal to 2. So therefore I can say this is equal to the log base 5 of 3x minus 2 squared divided by x, and that's equal to 2. Now we want to get rid of logs, so we anti-log everything, and we anti-log with respect to base 5. The left-hand side is easy. It's just the expression in x here. And this is equal to, if we're base 5, this is simply equal to 5 squared. So we've got to cross multiply and multiply these two brackets out. So therefore I get that 9x squared minus 12x plus 4 is equal to 5 squared, 25x. So therefore I get the 9x squared minus 37x plus 4 is equal to 0. Put that into a calculator or use the quadratic formula and you'll get that x is equal to 4 or x is equal to 1 over 9. Now, do both of these work? Remember, the big rule is that we cannot take the log of a negative number. The 4 clearly is okay. X is equal to a ninth. If I put a ninth in here, I get a third minus 2, which is negative. And as we can't take the log of a negative number in this first expression, this is not a possible solution for this question. It is a solution for the quadratic, but it won't work with our log original. So therefore I can say x is equal to 4.